the Philippines?
I'm not Filipino, we are Filipino.
How about Philippines? You have Philippines?
Oh, I'm not.
From Nepali, huh? Same like Filipino face.
How many protein this? Protein? Is the calories 450 calories? I'm so health conscious right now. That's why I'm asking how many protein? Coffee shop. Kada kulo, coffee shop. Huh?
He's from, what's your name?
Siya the alatol,
Your name?
red wine. Red wine.
Red wine?
Red wine.
Red wine?
Yeah, coffee shop.
Red wine?
Malo, Starbucks.
Ah, red wine.
Nagis.
He's from Africa.
Sige, sige. Al-Nabjis. Al-Nabjis.
You know Tagalog,
Little bit. Starbucks. And
Then this guy, from Nepal. From Nepal, Kabayan.
Sabi mo, kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka, mabuti?
This guy from Kinshad.
French.
French. Oh. So you know French. Ano ba yung French? Ano yung salita sa French?
Sri Lanka, bro.
Sri Lanka.
Also, I saw what's going on.